Breakfast is the most important meal of the day and most people skip it, which in a way, hampers their health and day but also the metabolism. Skipping a meal doesn't really help you lose weight, eating timely meals and healthy meals do. People often confuse a healthy diet to be a boring and tedious task. Don't you think it should be the other way round? A healthy diet and lifestyle bring positivity in life and have a long-lasting impact. It does take a little while to show results, but it will all be worth it. One can still consume good-looking, superb, lovely food by making minor tweaks in their regular diets. These healthy Indian breakfasts will keep your mind, body, and tummy happy. And if you are looking to lose those extra kilos, then you might want to stick to these options for better results. In this I am gonna share with you 5 Indian dishes that will help you to lose weight in a natural way. Number 1. Besan Cheela. This rich in protein chickpea or Besan Cheela is an ideal breakfast. You can have this cheela with a green mint chutney, which will give your metabolism a boost. Number 2. Masala Omelette. Eggs are touted to be the best source of protein. If you don't like a regular omelette, chop your favorite veggies like onions, tomatoes, spinach, mushrooms, capsicums and throw it in the pan and watch. Your sumptuous masala omelette is ready for you to relish. Avoid putting too much oil or butter while you make it. Number 3. Poha. The famous Maharashtrian speciality is full of carbs, protein, fiber, and fats. This low on calorie, easy to digest dish is filling, light and helps you lose weight too. Add little green chilies, peanuts not many, and satisfy your taste buds. Number 4. Idli. This South India dish is low on calories, it has carbs, protein, fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Idli is a fermented dish, which is good for digestion. Number 5. Oats Masala Dosa. This amalgamation of oats and masala dosa is a great breakfast option. It is rich in nutrition and fibers. Which one will you try for breakfast? Tell us in the comment below. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Watching for more videos, subscribe to our channel.